Looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2015 Jeep Cherokee Latitude in brilliant black crystal pearl. With bifunction halogen projector headlamps, gloss black grille surrounds, 18-inch gloss black 5-spoke aluminum wheels, gloss black exterior badging, LED tail lamps, bright exhaust tip, all-season floor mats, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 3.5-inch cluster with TFT black and white display, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, Park View rear backup camera, Sirius XM satellite radio, USB charging port in console, rear 60/40 folding split recline seats, Jeep cargo management system, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3245A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.